where the grass is greener, the air is cleaner, and the water is just a little bit sweeter. It's time for the Alcorn State Sounds of Dyn-O-Mite Marching Band. Introduce to you our daring and debonair drum majors, the fantastic the new kids on the block, Squirmin' Herman Roberts, Montero Bolden, Mr. Magnificent, Eric Metcalf, and Oliver Silky Smooth Stevens. Bulldog fans, show them some love. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare yourselves, for what you are about to witness is a showcase of the most amazing, ear-crazy, sound-defying spectacle of musical explosiveness. The Sounds of Dyn-O-Mite Marching Band are under the direction of Dr. Renato Murray and Assistant Director, Mr. Everson Martin. Sounds of Dyn-O-Mite, introduce yourselves. Bulldog fans, relax your listening vessels as the Sounds of Dyn-O-Mite enrich your hearts to Treasure by Bruno Mars. The thrilling and exhilarating, audacious and mesmerizing marching sounds of Dyn-O-Mite. Exemplary exposition in discipline, skill, and technique. Alcorn State University is the oldest continually operating land-grant college or university in the state of Mississippi. Incomparable and indisputable showmanship. Slow it down, sounds. Speed it back up. Our featured twirlers on the 50-yard line. Give it up for the Sounds of Dyn-O-Mite! Mississippi State, we stayed up all night to get lucky with the Sounds of Dyn-O-Mite and Dab Pump. As the personification of marching precision and instrumental superiority, this is a sound that will blow your mind. Magnanimous in musical mastery, we are the new ninth wonder of the world, the Sounds of Dyn-O-Mite. Incredibly precise and twice as nice. But guess what, MSU? Y'all ain't seen nothing yet. So feast your eyes on the 50-yard line. It's time for the 2013 edition of the world-famous Golden Girls. Sit back and enjoy as they show their visual senses. Let it sensational, exquisite, and sensational. Percolating, captivating, and stimulating. Fasten your seatbelts and don't let go. It's gonna be a rough ride. So just let it rip. And yes, like Coca-Cola, they are the real thing. Now, as we transition to the dance, Bulldog fans, it's time for some crowd participation. What? Clappers! Show 'em how we do it. Yeah. Show 'em the rock with it, band. 1, 2.